Today, the focus of my presentation is background, objectives, levels, and characteristics of school management. Dear viewers, let us first try to understand background of school management. The background of school management is rooted in the historical development of education systems worldwide. It has evolved over time in response to changing societal needs and educational philosophies. Key points in the background of school management include ancient origins. The origins of school management can be traced to ancient civilizations where rudimentary educational institutions were often managed by religious or philosophical authorities. With time, formal educational institutions emerged, such as Plato's Academy and Aristotle's Lyceum. These early academies laid the foundation for structured school management. Medieval institutions, monastic schools in medieval Europe and educational centers in other parts of the world played a role in early educational management. Modern education. The establishment of universities in Europe during the Middle Ages laid the foundation for more formalized education systems and management structures. 19th century reforms. The 19th century witnessed education reforms in response to industrialization, leading to the expansion of public education and the need for systematic management. Progressive education. The early 20th century saw the rise of the progressive education movement, which emphasized child-centered learning and influenced management practices. Educational administration. Educational administration emerged as a distinct field in the 20th century, focusing on principles and practices tailored to educational institutions. Post-World War II expansion. The post-World War II era saw a significant expansion of educational institutions, necessitating more efficient management. Technology integration. In the late 20th and early 21st centuries, technology integration, including management information systems and software, became essential for school management. Globalization and inclusion. Globalization has brought global models and standards into school management, while contemporary management also addresses issues of diversity and inclusion. Ongoing challenges and reforms. Challenges like accountability, teacher quality, and technological advancements continue to drive reforms in school management. Dear viewers, let us now understand objectives of school management. 1. Educational excellence. The primary objective of school management is to ensure that the institution provides high-quality education. This includes setting academic standards, designing curricula, and implementing effective teaching methods to foster student learning and achievement. 2. Student development. School management aims to nurture holistic development in students. This encompasses not only academic growth but also the development of critical thinking, problem-solving skills, social and emotional intelligence, and character education. 3. Efficient resource allocation. Effective school management involves optimizing the allocation of resources, including financial, human, and physical resources, to support the school's educational mission. This ensures that resources are used efficiently to benefit students and the school community. 4. Safety and well-being. Ensuring a safe and conducive learning environment is a key objective. This includes providing physical safety measures, addressing bullying and discrimination, and promoting the overall well-being of students and staff. 5. Parent and community engagement. School management seeks to foster strong partnerships between the school, parents, and the broader community. Active engagement with parents and the community enhances support for students and the school's mission. 6. Professional development. Supporting the growth and development of teachers and staff is essential. Objectives include providing opportunities for professional development, mentoring, and ongoing training to improve teaching and leadership skills. 7. Data-driven decision-making. School management aims to use data effectively to make informed decisions. This involves collecting and analyzing data on student performance, attendance, and other relevant factors to guide improvements in teaching and learning. 8. Financial sustainability. Managing the school's finances responsibly is a key objective. This includes budgeting, financial planning, and ensuring that resources are used efficiently to maintain the school's long-term financial sustainability. Let us now understand levels of school management. School management involves various levels of leadership and administration, each with distinct responsibilities and roles. These levels ensure the effective operation of educational institutions. Here are the typical levels of school management. 1. School Governing Body Board of Directors. Responsibilities. This is the highest level of school management, responsible for setting the school's mission, vision, and overall policies. The Governing Body Board of Directors oversees the school's financial stability, legal compliance, and strategic direction. Composition. It may consist of elected officials, community members, parents, and educators. 2. School Principal Head Teacher. Responsibilities. The principal head teacher is responsible for the day-to-day operations of the school. They provide instructional leadership, manage staff, ensure discipline, and oversee curriculum implementation. Composition. Typically, there is one principal head teacher per school. 3. Department heads, subject coordinators. Responsibilities. Department heads or subject coordinators oversee specific academic departments or subjects within the school. They help align curriculum, mentor teachers, and ensure quality in subject areas. Composition. Each department or subject area may have a coordinator. 4. Teaching staff, faculty. Responsibilities. Teachers are responsible for delivering instruction, assessing student performance, and fostering the overall development of students. They play a critical role in achieving the school's educational objectives. Composition. A school may have a diverse teaching staff, including subject teachers, special educators, and support staff. 5. Non-teaching staff, administrative staff. Responsibilities. Non-teaching or administrative staff members handle various administrative and support functions, such as finance, human resources, admissions, and facilities management. Composition. This group includes administrative assistants, clerical staff, accountants, janitors, and other support personnel. 6. Parent-Teacher Association, PTA, School Council. Responsibilities. PTAs or school councils serve as a bridge between parents and school management. They may engage in fundraising, advocacy, and collaborative decision-making with school leadership. Composition. Members typically include parents, teachers, and sometimes students. 7. Student Council, student government. Responsibilities. Student councils represent the student body and may be involved in planning school events, advocating for student concerns, and participating in decision-making processes. Composition. Comprising elected student representatives, this council represents different grade levels. Lastly, I will discuss characteristics of school management. 1. Leadership. Effective school management requires strong leadership skills to set a vision, motivate stakeholders, and make informed decisions. 2. Communication. Open and transparent communication is essential to ensure that all stakeholders, parents, teachers, students, and the community are well informed and engaged. 3. Accountability. School management should be accountable for resource use, student performance, and adherence to educational standards and regulations. 4. Flexibility. Adapting to changing educational trends, technologies, and societal needs is a characteristic of successful school management. 5. Inclusivity. Ensuring that the school is inclusive and caters to diverse student needs, including those with disabilities or from marginalized backgrounds, is a critical characteristic. 6. Data-driven decision-making. Using data and evidence to inform decisions related to curriculum, resource allocation, and student support enhances the effectiveness of school management. 7. Community engagement. Involving parents and the local community in school management fosters a sense of ownership and support for the institution. 8. Professional development. Supporting the ongoing professional development of teachers and staff contributes to the overall quality of education. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Education and Teacher Education at Shokin Bilal.